Friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel where we'll give you update on what is happening, of course, in the financial world. And today, we want to give you update how you can earn a lot of money from this site paying income site gg2u.org. Of course, you know that there are many sites online, but this payment rate is very unique. Let me give you this. As soon as you log in to gg2u.org, the first thing you'll see there is welcome to gg2u. We are a very high paying source of survey routers and referral offers because we will usually give you 65 to 85% payout rates on them. Of course, they said by contrast, most other sites, including the huge popular ones, only give their member 40 to 60%. You can also take advantage of your easy-to-do gaming offer and video offer that have some of these best payout rates in the industry. Another interesting one here is that we will credit you $1 USD for every 100 coins you earn. Once you reach just $7, you can request a payout to your PayPal account or Coinbase Bitcoin email address. E-gift card are also available too. On the next page, you can start earning money right away. Alright guys, let me take you to the right page, but before we do that, please hit on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get our video when next we drop our video. Alright guys, let me take you there. Of course, this is a page that you need to make money. As you can see, there are a lot of them here. There's Lutably, there's AD Gems, there's Offertoro, there's a lot. Well, gaming offer, special offer, survey offer, video offer, and of course, Ascend Media, and a lot of them more for you to make income. But I will advise you to use this because on this platform you could make very good money from video. Alright guys, so they also have others where you can make money, and that is Survey. Of course, Survey is another good platform where you can make good money from it. But as I said earlier, we will be looking at the video game where you can make huge amount of money. This is an auto game where you play and earn good money. If you can see here, you know, for every 200 videos points you earn, you will receive a silver token, which will add $1 to $3 to your account balance. So up to 0.015 per video points. Alright guys, so this is where you get game to watch. Alright, so at this point you just have to come here to check if there are offers for you to do, and of course you don't always expect offers, so you always have to be checking to know if there is offer. Just click on it and watch, then you make cool money, you make cool cash from this. Alright guys, I've given you the update that you need to know. Another free app where you can make money, another free place where you can make good income by just doing little tasks and registering to the app is what we call freecash.com. Freecash.com is another good platform where you can make money. That is a bonus app from me to you because I'm also using it. Okay, I just started using it and I'm making and I'm enjoying whatsoever I'm making, no matter how it is. It is very interesting. So you see, Free Cash is a platform where you make free money. Okay, you just need to just get paid for little survey and little things you do. You get paid. Of course, you can see how much is here that is being given out, and their rating is very interesting. Okay, see, you see, this is their payment for just yesterday, and people are really making it big on this platform. Alright, they are making it big on this platform. So we want you to know that this platform is legit, and all you just need to do is to sign up. When you sign up, you're entitled to make a free bonus money and you can withdraw with your crypto, you could withdraw with your Bitcoin, you could withdraw with anything. Just upload and download the app and start making good funds. Okay, so you could earn from doing a survey game. For instance, here I said, look at the write up here. Let's look at what they have here. So you will see for yourself. Here I said, received coins and cash them out. Cash out $1 Bitcoin. All right, so anywhere you want to see, you see the tax you want to do, just choose whatever thing you want to do. All right, choose whatever thing you want to do and start winning the game. You could also pick from completing the tax you complete here, or you come over to this side and do the same thing and win something good on any of the tasks you want to do. You keep winning. This is not a video game. Mode of withdrawing, you could withdraw through paper. You could withdraw through paper and do whatever you want to do. Instant cash out, seriously, instant cash out. Okay, so let's see. Let's give it a try and do it. This is free. It's free just for you to do the right thing and make good cash. It's free. Okay, so just give it a try and make the right income, guys. Give it a try and make the right income. Just take your time and make something good for yourself. All right, guys, thanks for subscribing. And on this, you could be making not less than $100 per day with these two work I've shown you. If only you could give your time, you make good money per day. Thanks, guys. God bless you.